This next step is going to show you how to record the screen. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but hopefully you can follow along. You'll notice that we're looking at the whole screen right now as we record. However, what I'm going to do is in the lower right hand corner, click on the little icon that says Smartboard. Now you might find this somewhere else on your computer. I'm going to click on Recorder. Now when we click on the recorder, we don't want the recorder in the video itself. This just helps us out. You'll notice that here's the recorder. This will record the whole page. This is a pause and this is a stop when we're done. Try to only record a page or just one page at a time first in case you make a mistake. Then when you feel comfortable, you can go through the whole series. Now, when I click on the down arrow here, I will record an area. It's imperative that you understand when you outline the area that you're going to record, it is going to start recording as soon as you release. Now I'm going to move this over here in the corner so we don't have it, and I'm going to do something rather tricky here. I'm going to record a video in a video, and here's how we do that. Just to show you, I'm going to click on my down arrow, record area, and I'm going to draw a rectangle as it says, and I'm going to cover this area. Okay, then I'm going to release, and as I release you'll see the seconds tick away, and we're going to say this is about food chains, and then I'm going to click on the next slide. The food chain shows who is eating who. Nearly all food chains start with a plant. And then as you can see we have plant, tadpole, suckle, and we have the bird, we have a leaf, cat, caterpillar, and blackbird. What we would like for you to do is when you pick up a pen, the video will pause. And we like for you to place a number in the respective area of who eats who. Now, here's what you're going to do. When you pick up the pen, and this is me telling you, not the students, when they pick up a pen, the video will pause. So you count yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe up to 5 seconds. Then you say, okay, here are the answers. And you click them. And then you say to them, we hope you understand that this is the answers. Please have another student come up to the smartboard and erase the screen. And then you say thank you. Then you go to the next slide and you tell them the exact same thing. The green plants are called producers. They make their own food. Animals are called consumers because they get their food from plants or other animals. What we would like for you to do when you're told to is pick up a pen and draw a line from the picture to whether it be a producer or a consumer. Please pick up a black pen now. So then you wait while the students pick up a black pen, and again it's going to, once they pick up that black pen, the video will pause and you count to maybe 3 or 4 seconds. Then you say, okay, let's see if you are correct. A flower is a consumer, or a producer. A tree is a producer. A human is going to be a consumer. A snake is a consumer. So is a snail, a spider, and a fish. And you say, well, hopefully your screen looks just like ours. Please pick up an eraser and erase the screen and have another student come up for the next slide. Now, you don't want to have too many slides because it gets rather boring. Okay, so that's how you set it up. Hopefully all of that made sense. Then of course you're going to hit stop here and it's going to save the recording, as you can see. Here it says March, and you would just simply save it in an area. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to save that. And yes, I'm going to hit delete. Okay, hopefully all of that made sense. Remember, this was a recording in a recorder to show you how to do all this. Last and definitely not least, again, someplace on your computer with Smartboard software. In this case, I'm going to click on the little icon again at the bottom. I'm going to click on Video Player. Now, it's important that people realize that they must play this back in the video player. And the reason for that is the video will pause when they click on or pick up a pen. For example, settings, video player. You'll notice it already says pause when tools are lifted. Just simply click on OK. When you're done, you simply click on the word File, find the video you want, then click on View, Full Screen, and you're ready to go. The kids come up to the smartboard, they listen to the question. When they pick up the pen, the video will pause until they're done, and they place the pen back in the tray. And you're all set, ready to go. If you don't use the video player, if you just simply click on the video, there will be no pause. When the kid picks up a pen, the video will not pause, and it will continue on, and they won't have enough time to answer the questions. So you must use the smart video player. Okay, thanks for watching these videos.